Welcome, it's another exciting time in Bloom's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you a very simple yet sophisticated cardamom bundt cake recipe. Really easy, beginner friendly, and you'll be done baking in no time. Don't forget to show your support by clicking on the like, share this video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and turn on your notification. I'll be right back and we'll get straight to the ingredients. Thank you. Welcome back. So for our cardamom bundt cake, I'm going to be using 3/4 cup of milk. You want this in room temperature. Half teaspoon of salt. About half tablespoon of cardamom. I'm using the pods as you can see because I want it really fresh. So I'm using about 20 pods here. And I'm going to use 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Half cup of sour cream. You also want this at room temperature. I'm using a combination of butter and margarine, but if you are using just butter, you can use 3/4 cup. I'm using half a cup of butter and 1/4 cup of margarine, 1.75 cup of sugar, 3 eggs. The eggs should also be at room temperature, and 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. This I'm going to sift to remove any clumps, and I'm going to be baking with this gorgeous bundt cake pan. So just make sure you grease it properly so it doesn't stick. So we are going to start first by grinding the cardamom, and then I will just sift the salt and baking powder into the flour, and then we'll start mixing right away. Thank you. ready. I baked for 350 for 45 minutes, and I put 2 of them in the middle rack with space around it. I just want to show you the knife comes out really clean. So the cake is ready on both of them. So now for the moment of truth, we're going to turn it upside down. And remember, this pan is really hot. So because the batter was much, I ended up using 2 pans. That way it doesn't overflow into the oven. So we're going to turn the first one and see. Ready? Whoa! Voila! You see that gorgeous design? I hope you can see it. Yes? Okay, now to the second one. We're gonna do exact same thing. I hope you can see this as well. Just gonna turn it upside down. Okay, are you ready for it? Drum roll. Uh-oh, I think it's gonna break. Yeah, it's broken a little bit here. So this one is stuck a little bit. That is why you have to make sure your pan is really greased. Else that is what happens. I try to grease this a lot. Okay, I'm just gonna put that there to complete it. So the cake is really moist. Smells amazing. So that is what we have. So I'm just gonna put it here side by side for you to see well. So which design do you prefer? Let me know. I'll be right back and we'll cut into the cake and give it a try. Okay, so we're going to cut into this cake and see what the inside looks like. I'm just going to cut along the groove here. It smells so nice. Take off a piece here, and it's so soft and fluffy. You see how fluffy it is? And that is what the inside looks like. The smell is divine. It's like a lemony kind of scent. I'm just gonna give this a try and tell you what it tastes like. The smell is like a lemon with a hint of nutmeg or something like that. This is divine. Go ahead, give this recipe a try with your favorite drinks, and you're going to thank me later. Don't forget to show your support. Click on the like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't. Until next time when I bring you another amazing recipe, I've got to finish this. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Thank you.